It's a 2015 Cadillac SRX. Beauty and functionality flow into one another, giving you an SUV that refuses to compromise. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Auto-dimming rear-view mirror, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, V6 engine, dual zone climate control, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, first and second row express opening close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver notes the SRX has been doing some very heavy lifting for Cadillac, particularly since the Porky DTS was put out to pasture. The only thing better than owning a Cadillac is driving a Cadillac. Experience it for yourself today.